AI is no longer just generating images. It's creating entire videos from text. In this video, we'll explore the most powerful video generation models of 2025 like Sora, Veo, Gen-4, and Pika. From cinematic visuals to real-world applications, here's everything you need to know about the future of AI video creation. Video generation models. Video generation represents one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving frontiers in AI. The ability to create moving images from text descriptions has progressed from experimental prototypes to increasingly capable systems that can generate cinematic sequences, animate still images, and create visual content that would previously have required specialized equipment and technical expertise. While still emerging compared to text and image generation, video AI is transforming content creation across industries. The emergence of text-to-video technology. The development of AI video generation has followed a trajectory similar to image generation, but with additional challenges related to temporal consistency, maintaining coherent motion and scene elements across frames. Key milestones include early frame interpolation, 2021 to 2022. Initial approaches focused on generating intermediate frames between existing images to create simple animations. Short clip generation, 2022 to 2023. Models like Make a Video and Finaki demonstrated the ability to generate brief, low-resolution clips from text prompts. Diffusion-based video models, 2023. Adapting techniques from image generation, models like Runway's Gen-1 could generate more coherent short videos or edit existing footage. Longer, higher quality generation, 2024. OpenAI's Sora and Google's Veo series marked a significant leap forward in quality, coherence, and duration. Integration and specialization, 2024 to 2025. Video generation capabilities became integrated into broader AI platforms, while specialized tools emerged for particular use cases like character animation or product visualization. By 2025, these advances have produced models that can generate videos ranging from a few seconds to nearly a minute with increasingly realistic motion, physics, and scene consistency. While still not matching the quality of professional video production in all cases, the technology has become useful for many practical applications. Major players and their flagship models. OpenAI. OpenAI made a significant impact with its video generation technology, Sora, December 2024. After its initial announcement in early 2024, the fully released version of Sora can generate videos up to 60 seconds long with remarkable scene consistency and physical realism. It excels at following complex prompts and maintaining coherent characters and settings throughout a clip. ChatGPT 4o with Sora. Integrated into ChatGPT+, this allows conversational video creation and editing, enabling users to iteratively refine their video concepts. OpenAI's video generation is accessible through their API and ChatGPT+ subscription, with pricing based on video length, resolution, and generation volume. Google has developed its Veo series of video models, Veo 3, May 2025. Google's latest video model can generate clips up to 30 seconds with synchronized sound effects. It shows particular strength in natural scenes, realistic physics, and smooth camera movements. Veo 2, December 2024. Focused on high-quality shorter clips with strong visual coherence. Google's models are available through Google Cloud's Vertex AI platform and are being integrated into various Google products. Runway, an early pioneer in AI video, continues to innovate. Gen-4, April 2025. Runway's latest model offers exceptional creative control with the ability to specify camera movements, scene transitions, and stylistic elements. It's particularly popular among filmmakers and creative professionals. Gen 3 Alpha, late 2024. introduced significant improvements in character consistency and motion quality. Runway operates on a subscription model with tiered pricing based on generation minutes and additional features. Pika Labs. Pika has emerged as a significant player in accessible video generation. Pika 2.2, March 2025. Known for its user-friendly interface and strong performance in character animation and stylized videos. It offers extensive customization options and integration with popular creative tools. Pika 2.0, November 2024, marked a significant improvement in quality and control over previous versions. Pika offers both free and premium tiers, with the latter providing higher resolution, longer clips, and additional features. Other significant players. Luma AI specializes in 3D-aware video generation that understands scene geometry, enabling more realistic camera movements and lighting. Kling AI focuses on character-driven narratives with consistent personalities and actions throughout clips. Descript integrates video generation with its comprehensive editing platform, allowing seamless mixing of generated and recorded content. Wondershare Filmora has incorporated AI video generation into its consumer video editing software. Adobe, beginning to integrate video generation capabilities into its Creative Cloud suite, with a focus on professional workflows and commercial usage rights. Comparison of capabilities: video length and quality, maximum duration and quality vary significantly. Sora, up to 60 seconds at 1080p resolution with high visual quality and consistency. Veo 3, up to 30 seconds at 1080p with strong physical realism. Gen-4, up to 16 seconds at 1080p with exceptional creative control. Pika 2.2, up to 20 seconds at 720p with good character consistency. Luma AI, up to 10 seconds with superior 3D understanding and camera movement. Scene consistency. Maintaining coherent scenes throughout a clip remains challenging. Sora, best overall scene consistency, particularly with character appearance and setting details. Gen-4, strong consistency when using its scene direction features. Veo 3, excellent for natural environments and physics-based interactions. Pika 2.2, good character consistency, but occasionally struggles with complex scenes. Kling AI, specialized in maintaining character consistency in narrative contexts. Motion quality. The naturalness of movement varies by model. Veo 3, most realistic physics and natural movements, especially for non-human subjects. Sora, very good overall motion quality with occasional subtle artifacts. Gen-4, excellent when using its motion control features, particularly for camera movements. Luma AI, superior for camera movements through 3D space. Pika 2.2, good for character animation but sometimes produces slightly mechanical movements. Creative control. The degree of control over the generated output differs. Gen-4, highest level of creative control with specific parameters for camera, lighting, and style. Pika 2.2, strong customization options focused on character and style elements. Sora, good control through detailed prompting but fewer explicit parameters. Veo 3, improving control features but still somewhat less predictable than leaders. Kling AI, specialized control for narrative and character elements. Benchmark performance comparisons. Performance on standardized benchmarks helps compare models objectively. Video bench, visual quality, and temporal consistency. This benchmark evaluates overall video quality and coherence. Sora, 89.7%. Veo 3, 87.5%. Gen-4, 86.2%. Luma AI, 83.9%. Pika 2.2, 82.3%. Motion test, physics and movement realism. This benchmark specifically tests the realism of motion and physics. Veo 3, 91.2%, Sora, 90.5%, Luma AI, 88.7%, Gen-4, 85.4%, Pika, 2.2, 82.1%. Character consistency, maintaining character appearance. This benchmark tests how well models maintain consistent characters. Sora, 88.9%, Kling AI, 87.6%, Pika, 2.2, 85.3%, Gen-4, 84.7%, VO3, 82.9%. Pricing and accessibility. Pricing structures vary significantly across providers. OpenAI. Sora API, $0.200 per second, depending on resolution and quality settings. ChatGPT. Plus subscription, $20 a month, includes limited video generation capabilities. Google VO3 API, $1.5 per second, depending on resolution. Enterprise pricing available with volume discounts. Runway Standard Plan, $15 a month for 125 video credits, approximately 30 to 60 videos. Pro Plan, $35 a month for 625 video credits. Unlimited Plan, $95 a month for unlimited generations. Pika Labs Free Tier, limited to 720p, 5-second clips with Watermark Pro Plan, $20 a month for higher resolution, longer clips, and no Watermark Enterprise Plan. Custom pricing for commercial usage and API access. Other options. Luma AI, subscription plans starting at $25 a month. Kling AI, pay per generation starting at $0.10 per second. Description: video generation is included in the Pro plan at 15-month enterprise pricing, typically includes higher volume limits, dedicated support, and additional features like custom training and brand alignment. Business applications and use cases. Video generation models are being applied across numerous business functions, marketing and advertising. Creating short promotional videos for social media, generating product demonstrations from different angles, producing animated explainer videos, creating dynamic ad variations for testing, content creation, generating B-roll footage for video productions, creating animated illustrations for articles and presentations, producing video thumbnails and preview clips, visualizing concepts before full production. E-commerce, showing products in motion from multiple angles, demonstrating product features and usage, creating lifestyle videos, showing products in context, generating seasonal promotional content. Education and training. Creating instructional videos, demonstrating processes, generating visual explanations of complex concepts, producing consistent educational content at scale, visualizing historical events or scientific phenomena. Real estate and architecture, creating virtual walkthroughs of properties, visualizing architectural designs in motion, showing properties with different design elements or renovations, demonstrating neighborhood features and amenities, prototyping and design, visualizing product concepts in motion before physical prototyping, testing, user interface, animations and interactions, creating motion studies for design projects, generating multiple design variations in video form, choosing the right video generation model. When selecting a video generation model for your needs, consider video length requirements. Different models have different maximum durations, which may constrain your creative options. Quality and resolution needs. Consider the final use case and required video quality. Subject matter. Some models perform better with certain types of content, e.g., nature scenes, character animation, product visualization. Creative control. Consider how much precise control you need over camera movements, style, and other elements. Integration requirements. Evaluate how the video generation tool fits into your existing workflow and tools. Volume and budget. Consider your expected generation volume and how it aligns with different pricing models. Commercial usage rights. Ensure the model's training data and terms of service align with your intended use, particularly for commercial applications. Technical expertise. Some tools require more technical knowledge, while others offer more user-friendly interfaces. Limitations and considerations. Despite rapid progress, video generation technology still has important limitations to consider. Duration constraints. Even the most advanced models are limited to relatively short clips, under a minute. Consistency challenges. Maintaining perfect consistency of characters, settings, and physics throughout longer clips remains difficult. Specific actions. Complex or very specific actions may still be challenging to generate accurately. Text rendering. Like early image models, many video generators struggle with accurate text rendering. Audio integration. While some models now include basic sound effects, fully synchronized speech and complex audio remain challenging. Ethical considerations. As with other generative AI, there are concerns about potential misuse for deepfakes or misleading content. Copyright questions. The legal landscape around AI-generated video content continues to evolve. The video generation landscape is advancing particularly rapidly, with significant improvements in quality and capabilities are emerging every few months. While not yet matching professional video production for complex scenes or longer content, these tools are already valuable for many business applications and will continue to expand in capability throughout 2025 and beyond.